It's an amazing place. Just look around. This looks so beautiful here. And this food.
It's like one of the treasures of Busan.
Is it sweet potato?
Yeah, sweet potato.
Wow. This is also bamboo
Yeah,
shoot?
bamboo shoots and bamboo shoots with like
That is a
fried rice.
chicken?
Yeah,
Chicken with tea?
black tea.
Wow.
Actually, it's all of them then, right? Because if that's tea,
Oh right, that's three
right?
treasures.
Like
Oh, wow.
3 all in one meal.
So we
Wow.
collect all of them over here. Nice.
Have you guys ever tried bamboos?
No.
Like you mean like bamboo shoots, right?
Oh yeah, bamboo shoots.
Not like pandas, you know, who eat the whole bamboo.
Because do you guys know that we can like actually get some bamboo shoots? We can dig into the dirt and get some bamboo shoots here in
Really?
Jiusan.
What? Oh my God! Like it's like DIY your own bamboo shoots, right?
Nice. That sounds so interesting. So do you know around here we can go try it?
Yeah, actually we can. Let's go.
Oh yeah, let's go. Nice.
My friend, let's go。我们去挖竹笋哈。
Yay.
我们现在开始来找竹笋哈。这个竹笋是最健康的，因为它里面都不要农药，都不要肥料。这个落叶本是无情物，化作春泥更护花，就等于说大自然界就给它养分，哦，所以是最健康、最养生的。我们来找一找，好不好？
OK。
我们现在到了竹林里面，要找到这个竹的竹笋哈。然后我们在竹林里面的泥土看起来都一样，那你看看哦，我们这个泥土会鼓起来，会鼓起来的地方，就这样鼓起来的地方拨开就有竹笋。那现在鼓起来，我们就要像这个地方，我们要这样子把它泥土拨开。好，那你看看哦，这个地方，我们从这边就寻到它的根。
哦。
好，那我们就把这边挖开来，看看我们的竹笋在哪里哦。哦，这边找到了。好，这一根竹笋，我们现在把它给拨开哈。
Wow, that's so big. So interesting.
挖到最前面哈，到最顶的地方才能把它切断。哦。然后我们在最前面的地方这样挖下来。
Oh, it's kind of interesting because sometimes some plants really require like fertilizer and stuff like that. But it's kind of cool that it's kind of its own fertilizer.
Yeah, from their own leaves.
Yeah, like its own leaves feed itself.
Yeah.
That was my first time digging for bamboo shoots ever, and I thought that was really fun. So I'm super grateful to Mr. Tsai for showing us how. And I was really excited that I found a tiny bamboo. At first, I thought, oh, this is a useless bamboo shoot. But actually, Mr. Tsai said that those are worth more and they're more expensive and rare. So I'm actually quite happy about that. So yeah, really exciting.
So today was really fun day. I don't know, it was the first time in my life when I tried to dig the bamboo shoots. I didn't know it's gonna look like this, and it was really satisfying, it was really fun. Special thanks to the Mr. Tsai that he showed us this fun process, and I find a big one. I was super happy about that. Even it was pretty hard, like you need to use a lot of power to do that, but that was really fun, so I really enjoyed it, so thank you.
And it was really fun to learn from Mr. Tsai, and thank you a lot for like teaching us a lot of knowledge about bamboos and bamboo shoots. That was really precious.
Wow, guys, look at this amazing place. Just look around. This looks so beautiful here. And this
It's a
food.
great view.
Yeah, it's really a great view, right?
Oh, this is Mr. Chen's restaurant, and we just went to dig some bamboo shoots. So he made some really delicious dishes for us. So, Mr. Chen, can you like introduce the dishes for us?
来到南投呢，都是来竹山，都是用三宝入菜啊。第一道菜就是我们的笋子干加控肉，再就是季节性的那个冬笋，下去入菜的哈。 再来就是在地的山鸡，用我们在地的红茶下去烘焙的，然后再来就是我们的竹筒饭。那最后呢，就台农75号的在地的那个番薯，然后做成番薯包，
Ah,
是这样。
that's like one of the treasures of Busan.
Is it sweet potato?
Yeah, yeah, sweet potato.
Wow. This is also a bamboo
Yeah,
shoot?
bamboo shoots and bamboo shoots with like
That is a
fried rice.
chicken?
Yeah,
Chicken
with
with
sweet
tea?
black tea.
Wow.
Actually, that's all of them then, right? Because if that's tea,
Oh right, that's three
right?
treasures.
Like
Oh, wow.
3 all in one meal.
So we
Wow.
collect all of them over here. Nice.
Well, that's awesome, and we should like just.
Yeah, so let's enjoy this. Yeah, in this beautiful place, right? I can't wait.
Bon appetit!
Thank you.
Thank you.